Mother's Day to all the great moms and great grandmoms out there. Today, I'm making a special treat for my mother, and you can do it too. So we'll start off by needing 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, about 1 teaspoon of baking powder, about 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of oil. And for our main ingredient, you'll need 1 1/3 cup of pancake flour. But if you don't have pancake flour, you can use all-purpose flour or plain flour. Now let's start whisking. So you'll need to whisk this for 4 to 6 minutes or until it is thick and shiny. Now, since the batter is smooth and shiny, we're going to be putting it inside the greased pan. Make sure it's greased, otherwise the cake will stick. Yeah, that's good. And I preheated the oven for 325 Fahrenheit. So I made some blueberry compost, fresh blueberry compost. But if you don't have blueberry compost, you can just use some jams. Now let's take some toothpicks and swirl. Wow, doesn't it look beautiful already? It looks like a work of art. Now I'm going to be putting it inside the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, it looks so good. So a quick trick is you take a toothpick and you poke it in different areas and make sure there's no raw batter. So if you can see there is no raw batter. It looks so delicious, and I can smell it. Wow, it's ready. I added some fresh fruit on the side to give it a nice pop of color. Bon appetit, now you may eat. And please like and subscribe if you want to see more of my, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of my videos.